How can you enable or disable airplane mode on your iPhone? If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. At first, you're gonna swipe down from the top right corner of the display like this. So you perform this gesture and there are gonna be a bunch of buttons and controls. And the one in the top left corner is for the connections, so things like the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and so on. And there you should be able to find a little airplane icon in the corner, so you can tap it like this. You can see that it turns orange. In the top corner, it doesn't say the name of the network or signal strength anymore. It is simply disconnected from the outside world, sort of, and that's what you're supposed to enable in the airplane mode. You can as well tap on it again. It's going to come back to normal. It's going to look up the Wi-Fi networks as well as the cellular connection, and it's going to make it come back to normal. That's one way to do it, but you should also know that when you go to the settings, literally the first toggle there is the airplane mode. So you can tap on it like this. It will again do the same thing, give you the airplane icon, disconnect you from the internet and cell towers, and that's how you have it enabled. And to disable it, tap on it once again and it's gonna make it come back to normal. So that's what you can do. It's pretty simple. I'm glad that I had the option or the ability to explain it to you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe and I'll see you later.